Hi friend, this is Neha Bhualka and you're watching my YouTube channel Anglo Kids, right? And as I have promised you that I would come up with so many activities related to kids, so here I am. And today I'm going to discuss this activity which is basically for preschoolers. So mothers right there, just get excited because we understand that during this COVID-19 period, you are facing too many problems when it comes to learning of your child, especially preschoolers, because they don't feel comfortable when it comes to attend online classes, and of course they are too small for that, but we can't compromise with the education also, right? So Anglo Kids has solved this problem for you. This activity, I mean, you can see on the screen, this is a PDF file which has been created by myself, and all the letters have been covered up. You can see A to Z, right? See, this is a simple activity. Now you would be thinking, what's so unique in that? See, let me tell you. Uniqueness lies in the way of conducting this activity. Yes, you can conduct this activity in so many ways. Yeah, first way is that then you can just get the printout, right? And after getting printouts, आपको अपने बच्चे को you have to just give them colors, and they have to identify the letters I bubbles, and they have to color the I bubbles. And you can just make this activity more interesting by giving them, their favorite colors, right? So this is the first way. I mean, this is the one way through which you can conduct this activity. Second way, you can give colorful buttons to them, like buttons जो हम सबके यहाँ पर होते हैं, buttons जो हम शर्ट वगैरह पर लगाते हैं, और अगर आपके घर पर नहीं है तो you can just buy them from Amazon. और आपको अपने बच्चे को ये buttons देने हैं, और बच्चे को, I mean child has to put all these buttons into the correct bubbles, right? Third way, you can conduct this activity with the help of Play-Doh. आपको क्या करना है, अपने बच्चे को Play-Doh देना है and ask them to break into pieces, and they have to put those pieces into the correct column, right? And फोर्थ वे, यू कैन कंडक्ट दिस एक्टिविटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टार्स. आपने देखा होगा मार्केट में स्टेशनरी की शॉप पर मिलता है स्टार्स, जो बच्चे बहुत निकालते हैं और फिर कहीं भी डेकोरेशन पर्पज से दे उसको पेस्ट कर देते हैं. आई मीन दे जस्ट पेस्ट इट ऑन समथिंग फॉर डेकोरेशन पर्पज. तो आप स्टार्स ले सकते हैं, राइट? सो दे कैन कंडक्ट दिस एक्टिविटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टार्स, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दे विल लव दिस एक्टिविटी. सी, होता क्या है ना, जब आप एक एक्टिविटी को, आप एक बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हो बहुत सिंपल तरीके से, लेकिन जब आप बच्चे को ये एक्टिविटीज देते हो, तो ये जो एक्टिविटी है जो मैंने आपको बताया है, जो मैंने शेयर किया है, इट एक्चुअली कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ हैंड ऑन एक्टिविटीज, राइट? हैंड ऑन एक्टिविटीज आर वेरी beneficial at this stage. Why? Because children learn faster because they are having fun, and it also improves the problem and critical thinking part of the child, right? So these kind of activities are very beneficial at this stage. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे ये पीडीएफ फाइल आप तक कैसे पहुंचेगा. अगर आपको ये पीडीएफ फाइल पसंद आया है तो आप मुझे डायरेक्टली मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पर मैसेज करके मुझे बता सकते हैं. आई कैन सेंड दिस फाइल टू यू. I mean, you just have to give your email ID and I will just send it to you. And if you don't have printer to get the printouts, then there is no problem at all. आप इसको एक simple paper पर भी बना सकते हैं. For variation, you can use different kind of shapes, different favorite shapes of your child, right? Just like that. But होता क्या है ना, बच्चों को भी कुछ variations चाहिए होते हैं, like simple copy notebook, they just don't like that. तो आप इसको, इट्स अप टू यू, जैसे भी आपको सही लगे, बट आप इस एक्टिविटी को प्लीज करवाइएगा जरूर, और मुझे बताइएगा हाउ वाज दिस एक्टिविटी, डिड योर चाइल्ड एंजॉय और नॉट, राइट? सो फ्रेंड्स, that's enough for today. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon there, right? Please keep sharing my videos, keep spreading love, stay connected, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.